Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come see this website gigabyte.com and you can see this search button. Then enter your model number of your motherboard B650MK and then hit enter. Scroll down. So you can click on the product, then find out your motherboard in this one and just click to open. After that click on support. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So you can see this is there are two operating systems supporting this motherboard, so both installations process same Windows 10 and 11. Audio driver, audio, so this one, and click to download. You can see this is start downloading. So it is completed, just open it, double click to launch. And again, so guys, this is exe format. You can see this, just double click and then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So now this is installed. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then next, chipset driver, AMD chipset driver, click to download. Please start downloading. Open it when it is done and then double click to launch. Then click on yes for the administrator rights to install. So any error, so select this, right click and extract all, and then extract. And then this is extracted chipset driver. Just right click and run as administrator and then click to yes. Okay, then okay, and then close it. This is closed. Now this is doing. And this is closed automatically. This is install it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. So it is completed. Just open it and just double click to launch for the installations. Then click on yes. Now this is first extract, and after that install it. So it is closed, means this is installed.